Step into the warmth of this magical wooden treehouse surrounded by lush green forest and soft sunlight filtering through the leaves. Built entirely from natural wood, this elevated cabin offers a peaceful escape from the busy world, complete with cozy interiors, warm lighting, and serene nature sounds. Relax on the outdoor deck, listen to the birds, and enjoy the golden glow of the evening sun through the trees. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe.